Here's a sample application built with Saasufy called Product Browser Demo. It allows us to browse products by category and has pagination for both the categories and also for the products within each category. Let's have a look at the logic for that application. You can see there is a CSS file for the styles and also an HTML file which contains all the markup, and it has about 80 lines of markup. That's it. The model, to see what it looks like, it's product. You can see the list of fields here. You can expand to see the constraints on each field. And all the data in Saasufy updates in real time. So this is not just for the control panel, but also for the application itself. Let's first have a look at how that works in the control panel. If I update some values here, you can see they update in real time. There's a bit of a debounce so that they don't update instantly, so it's a little bit more efficient. So each time you type a keystroke, there's a little bit of a delay, but you can see that, yeah, you can edit and it's always in real time. You can add new fields here. You can delete fields. Let's have a look at the views. So views are the different ways in which you want to expose your data. So in this case, we're talking about the products. We want to expose them by category. That's the main view for this application. And we have also an access page, and this allows us to restrict access to this model based on read. So create, read, update, or delete. You can modify based on the resource level or for each individual field. And here we have, this is how we match the data inside the token with the data on the model. And here we have the index page. This allows us to add some indexes for fast lookup. And this is the data page where all the data goes. So we can edit the data here. And the thing is, this allows us to look at different views of the data. So for example, we can put a category view cars. So it will show us all the products under the cars category. You see, we can edit. And if we go back, it remembers the last state of the view. So in this case, we're still looking at the cars view. We can go back, we can do default view. If I go to another page and then I edit, I can go back to the last page I was on, page 2 in this case. All right. Let's have a look at how it works when we update in real time. I'm going to go into category view and type furniture to find this particular item on the right. We can see it's this one here. Let's edit it. We'll just type like wooden chair. You can see it updates. Oh, let's fix that. But you can see it updates in real time. Something else we can do is we can change the image here. We'll find another image. Let's go here. Just anyone, this one. Well, we'll copy the URL and then we'll paste that here. And you can see it updates immediately. Here's another app, which is the chat app. We can log into it via GitHub. So it has a login component. And you can see this is the public chat. You can click on the username to go into a private chat with them. Here is a list of all private chats, so I can see the most recently received messages and the recently sent. Here we can log in with a blockchain account. If I send a message to the public chat, here everyone can see it. I can respond here. If I click on a username, I can send a private message. I have to go into my private messages. You can see the latest one here. And there it is. And I can respond back. Let's have a look at what the model looks like. You can see there's a public chat and private chat. Let's go into public chat, look at the data. I can open up this last message and I can edit it. So I have full access to the data, to all the data from the control panel. Let's have a look at the accounts. So whenever a user logs into the chat, it creates an account for them, depending on whether they log in via GitHub or blockchain. Here's by GitHub. You can see it uses the GitHub username here. And this one is the one that logged in via blockchain. And you can see it records some information about the user. All right, that's it for this demo. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know by hitting the like button, and see you next time.